If you're seeing the Telegram error provider account invalid, the most important thing to know is this. In most cases, this is not a problem you can fix from your side. It's usually a merchant side issue, which means the bot creator, group owner, or payment provider linked to the bot has a failed, expired, or disconnected payment gateway. So if you've been stuck on this error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to understand what's happening and what to do next. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, app tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides that save you time. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's understand the error. When Telegram shows provider account invalid, it usually means the payment provider connected to that bot or checkout flow is no longer valid. That could happen if the bot creator's Stripe, payment processor, or linked merchant account has expired, been suspended, or is no longer authenticated properly. In other words, the purchase system behind the scenes is broken even though Telegram itself may still be working normally. So if you are the buyer, the first thing you should do is contact the bot creator or the group owner. If this happened inside a Telegram bot, look for the support message, admin username, or official group where the bot is managed. Send them a clear message explaining that you're getting the provider account invalid error when trying to pay. It helps to include what you were trying to buy, the device you're using, and whether the issue happened during checkout or after you pressed pay. The more detail you give, the easier it is for them to identify the problem. If you're in a channel, group, or bot with a support contact, ask whether their payment gateway is still active. In many cases, the owner simply needs to reconnect their merchant account, renew their payment provider access, or update billing credentials. This is why the buyer usually cannot solve it directly. The payment flow is controlled by the merchant side, not by your Telegram app. Now, if you're trying to buy Telegram Stars or Telegram Premium, there is one useful workaround you can try. Instead of entering a direct credit card inside the bot or checkout flow, switch to the native payment option through the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone, if that option is available. These in-app payment routes use different payment providers, so they may work even when the bot's direct provider connection is failing. On Android, look for the Google Play payment option during checkout. On iPhone, look for the App Store purchase flow. If Telegram offers those options for your region and device, choosing them can bypass the broken merchant gateway behind the provider account invalid error. This doesn't fix the original bot payment problem, but it can let you complete the purchase through a different path. If the alternative payment method doesn't appear, or if every option still fails, then the only real fix is for the bot creator to update their payment provider. In that case, your best move is to wait for the admin to resolve it or contact them again after some time to see whether the checkout has been restored. Also, if you're the bot owner watching this, the solution is on your side. You'll need to check the payment provider account linked to your bot. Verify that your credentials are still active, make sure your merchant account is not suspended, and reconnect or replace the provider if necessary. Once the gateway is valid again, the error should disappear for users automatically. So to recap simply, if you're the buyer, you cannot directly repair the provider account invalid error. Contact the bot creator or group owner, and if you're buying Telegram Stars or Premium, try the native Google Play or App Store payment method instead of direct card entry. That's the fastest way to work around the issue when possible. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up tutorial showing how bot owners can fix the provider account invalid error on their side step by step.